Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through the steps on how you can remove account profile users from your Nintendo Switch 2. So you can see I have 3 different user account profiles up here. I'm going to remove this last one at the end of the line. So to do this, what we want to do from the home page of our Switch 2 is go over and select our system settings. And then in our system settings, we're going to scroll down until we find where it says users, and the user that you would like to get rid of, select that one. From your user settings, you should be able to scroll all the way down to the bottom to delete that user. Now, if the account isn't signed in to a Nintendo account, you'll be able to see that delete user option right here. If it's a user that has logged in to their Nintendo account, you just have to scroll down a little bit further, but it's still all the way at the bottom there. We can see the option to delete user. So we're going to select where it says delete user. And if you have any software open, you're going to have to close out of that to go through with this process. All the user's data will be deleted. So make sure that you want to do this. Check this box where it says delete, then click next. And then I'm going to confirm by selecting where it says delete this user. And then if everything goes through correctly, it should say successfully deleted user. So I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to head back to my home page. And we can now see here in the upper left-hand corner where those user profile accounts are, that the one that I had just deleted is no longer there. I hope this quick tutorial was helpful, walking you through the steps on how to delete user profiles in your Nintendo Switch 2. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and consider subscribing for more content in the future.